fried chicken wings. I have chicken here. I add already garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Next, I need to add my milk. Now I add already milk. I need to leave for 2 hours. After 2 hours, marinate my chicken. Next step, I need to coat with plain flour with garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And I have also cornstarch. I put also pepper, salt, and garlic powder. And I have some 1 egg here. My chicken I put already flour. Now I need to put on preheat for 1 hour. And then I fry for later. My chicken start already fry. Now my chicken almost golden brown. Now my chicken well done, ready to serve. I hope you enjoy my simple recipe chicken wings. Delicious crispy chicken wings. I serve also with fresh vegetable salad. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.